man, back in the shop, back with my babies. So good to see my cars again. Anyways, it is wet today, it's raining today, so figured we'd pull the Mustang out and have some fun, man, since the parking lot's wet and I won't mark the whole place up. But down here for the weekend so I can drive that thing back home to the new house and stay in a couple extra days. I wanted to leave yesterday morning, but my dad needed help moving stuff out of that house, so I stuck around. Probably go to dinner with my grandma tomorrow and then leave out the next morning. But the next vehicle I'll take down will be the Z, and then the 91 S13, unless I can get the cage in this one first. Got to get that roll cage in from Cage Kits, but then we'll get the S13s down. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the Prelude just because, fuck man, I really don't want to sell it, but I don't know, we will see. I'm gonna list it up, see what happens. But let's get this car up to temp. Let's go have some fun, baby. Forgot to mention, both my good helmets, my car helmet and my road bike helmet, are down at the new place. So my old helmet's here, and I do have some mounts on it. So we'll get some we'll get some good in-car footage for you guys. But yeah, let's go have some fun. Hell yeah! Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I don't know how long this video will be, but just wanted to have some fun one last time. You know what I mean? Gonna take it down the road real quick, get some heat in this car, and then we'll come back and play around. There's two cones that are really tight together right outside the bay. I want to see if I can figure eight it in this car. I mean, I know I could do it in the drift car easy, but I want to try it in this one. I think that'd be fun, and then we'll just get some shots playing in the spots that I don't normally get to play in unless the parking lot's wet. So we got about a 40-minute break till it's supposed to rain for the rest of the day, so I don't know, man, but hopefully you guys enjoy this one. It's just kind of a spontaneous video. I don't have my tripod or anything with me. I just have this camera because I was planning on driving, making a cruise video, driving the car back, which we'll get to either tomorrow or the next day. But yesterday was also the drift event. I was gonna go, but the Z needs new front tires, and I'm just kind of poor at the moment. I can't really make that happen. So I'm going to try and make November 15th, which is the last one for Salt City Drift this year, but no promises because things are really tight right now. But we will be back in full swing next year. Just relocating, getting a new job and everything. It's a lot of work, a lot of time, and it's expensive to move this far when you have this many vehicles and shit. Just constantly back and forth. So I don't know, I'm gonna do the best I can, but we'll be back in the full swing of things soon. And then yeah, hopefully you guys have been enjoying the new area videos, you know, exploring all the desert and stuff. This guy had the same idea as me, flipping around to his driveway. I'm just trying to flip a bitch. Hell yeah, boys. She's getting warm. Yeah, so unfortunately I don't have my tripod with me though, like I was saying, so I'm just gonna set the camera somewhere and get a few outside shots for you guys, rock the helmet, maybe a dash shot or two, I don't know. But hell yeah, when we get back we'll have some fun. The car's getting warm, baby. Yeah, she almost up to operating temp, almost ready for some boost. All right, car's got some temp in it. Look how tight these cones are, man. I want to see if we can fit that. See if we can do some stuff with that. That'll be fun. We're gonna have to clean this thing up before we drive it home, but it's worth it. I'm just gonna set this down and see how that works. Pops was down there in the shaft. Dang, guys, I knew I could do it in the drift car, but I didn't know if I could do it in this one. It's not quite set up, you know what I mean? But you just gotta spike the RPM, get the tire spinning, then you can do that other side. But that's really tight, man. Hopefully that worked out. Hopefully that looks pretty sick. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I wanted to come swing this right here because I always do it when it's wet or snowy in the truck. But my uncle's here, so probably shouldn't piss him off. I'm gonna wait till hopefully it rains again before we're done and we can come swing this side because that shit's so fun. But yeah, let's go get a couple shots and just fucking around, having some fun. Make a video for you guys. Dude, fuck, that was sweet though, man. Probably not as smooth as I'd like to do the figure 8, but fuck yeah, dude. Dang, son, good looking car. I'm just gonna set it here, see if we can get a couple shots of like some transitions or something. Yeah, it's really hard with these grippy ass tires because it's slick and it's gripped because it's drying up. So you just got these patches. So I'll throw you guys on the helmet so you guys can get a little bit better shots. I'm having a hard time, you know, making it smooth. So this car doesn't have a handbrake or anything like that for corrections. So it's just basically all car control. So yeah, I'm gonna throw you guys on the helmet and have some more fun. All right. So my only thing with this mount is I just don't know how good you guys can see over the dash, but yeah, that should work. Give you guys a little in-car shot. God, dude, it's so slick, boys. Good hell. Yeah, see, front end's pushing. You gotta spike the rear, but then it grips up. This parking lot's pretty tricky right now. It needs to either rain or dry, you know what I mean? That was pretty cool. Nice bug, bro. God, it's just so smooth in the rain, it's fucking ridiculous. See if we can't fuck with these cones a little bit more. That was fun. That shit's hard, boy. Let's do one of those tight donies. That's how that's done, big dog.
You got my keys?
Yeah, they're in my pocket here. I don't have a shop key with me, so I had to borrow it. Hell yeah, that's fucking awesome, dude. Nice tidies right around that cone. That's fucking sick. motherfucker, dude. Yeah, that's what's up. Maybe I'll throw it back out there and get some more shots of the cone ripping. Hell yeah, boys. Getting low on gas though. I'm gonna put this thing up real close, and hopefully we can get some sick shots.
Unfortunately, I crushed my GoPro right here, so this is all the footage that I got from this clip. Unfortunately, just didn't even get to see it happen. Damn it.
Well guys, I had a feeling I was gonna hit my camera, but I just stayed in it and I hit the camera. I knew I should have pulled out, but Hero 10 is smoked. Luckily I brought these cameras too, my other GoPro, just in case I went to the drift event, which I didn't do. So I'll get the card out of this, which really fucking sucks because this was like my last good camera at the moment, my last good GoPro. But it's time for new cameras anyway. It just sucks because I'm freaking broke. But this one's got some charge on it. It just mainly sucks because now I got to use this one for the drive home, and I've only got one battery for this camera, so god damn it, boys. Oh shit, let's get back to it though. As you guys can see, the parking lot is basically dry, boys. So you know, I'm not allowed to be down here doing this anymore, so I'm not trying to mark the whole fucking place up, but I'm gonna do a couple more donies right here in this wet stuff, and we'll call that good for a day, because I don't need a push in my luck either, because I gotta drive this thing a couple 100 miles in either tomorrow or the next day to get it home. So the tires are pretty bald. Before we leave tomorrow, we're gonna check PSIs and everything, make sure we're good. Tires are getting bald, but there's no dry cracks or anything, so I don't see why we won't make it. I'm pretty sure we'll make it just fine. This car's been nothing but reliable for the 12 years I've been beating on it, but yeah, I just don't want to push my luck with the traveling, so I'm gonna set this up, get a couple more fun shots, and then call that good. Plus, this is kind of my last camera, so lucky, we're gonna hit those cones one more time. Shit's fun, dude. Well guys, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Me breaking my camera and having some fun in the car, baby. Hell yeah, that was good, man. That was some tight stuff. I've never done something that tight in this car, so that's cool. Fuck yeah, boys. But I'll see you guys in a couple days. We'll clean this thing up either tomorrow or the next day, but we'll clean this thing up and we'll drive it down south, man. Stay tuned for that. Let's go put this thing away. Man, I rolled up here to Mavs to get some nicotine, and one of the reasons I love driving this car is, man, everybody loves checking this thing out. It's a neck breaker. Hold on, let me grab a second. With the camera here. Hell yeah, boys. Let's go put the car away. All right. We'll get that thing all cleaned up, tire pressure checked, and ready to go tomorrow so we can hit the road. Stay tuned for that one if you guys are interested in watching the cruise video. But I gotta put this stuff back in the car. Hell yeah, that was fun. That's one thing I'm gonna miss from the north, is just the way the clouds and the mountains work. It's always so fucking beautiful here, but it's even more beautiful down south. I fucking love the south side. I've been living the last 3-4 weeks. Oh man, I can't wait to get back down there. Got a 5-year goal to build a barnuminium, or at least a shop, because it really sucks. I mean, I got like 3 boxes of freaking dirt bike trophies and these awesome pictures. I'm really freaking, you know, I just got nowhere to put all my shit, which really sucks. But check that out, dude. That's me and my dad. That's fucking sick. Born into this life. But yeah, freaking all these trophies. This is my favorite one. Me and my dad won this one together in Nitto Circus. But yeah, it just sucks. I got nowhere to put all my fucking shit, man, or my cars. But it's all right. We're starting over in life. But I got a big old goal list. I'm trying to freaking reach them all, and we'll get there eventually. Hell yeah, guys. Thing is smoked. Oh damn. It's pretty unfortunate, dude. You ever wonder what they look like in there, though? There you go. It's all torqued, dude. The whole thing got twisted. Look at that. Ah, fuck. It'll power on. It eventually powered off. I think it's fucking done. But luckily it was one of my shit batteries in there, so I don't give a shit. So that sucks. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Support your boy. Join the YBC team, and I'll see you in the next one, which is in a day or two when we drive that thing back. We'll get it shined up and make the drive to the desert, baby. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, though. It was just a spontaneous freaking video. Didn't really have plans to do this, but I knew it was wet and they're not open, so I was like, I might as well have some fun. Unfortunately, the parking lot dried up on us real quick, and hasn't rained again, so I just parked it. But I'm not trying to get in a lot of trouble or have the cops called. So anyways, what a kick-ass time, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Me wrecked the camera for you guys. That's another thing I gotta fucking buy now, is another camera. But we're down to the Hero 8, so now I'm gonna have to get some more GoPros before I start drift season again, next drift season. But I forgot to say, though, I was gonna say, it freaking sucks that I ran over the camera not even doing something cool. I had straightened, you know what I mean? It's not like I even hit it at angle. And I knew it was right there. I had a feeling I was gonna crunch it. And I knew I should've just went straight, but I was like, fuck it, let's stay in it. Maybe I can get like inches to the camera, like centimeters. That'd be so sick. And then crunch. I felt myself roll over. I was like, fuck. Oh, shit. You guys are on KCYBC?
Yeah.